So here's a quick look at the Vizi dashboard. Vizi is a dashboard for e-commerce sellers to come in and see some of the key metrics that drive their business. Primarily, these two are your sales and your traffic, and then these are your average engagement rates across posts versus stories. So at a glance, e-commerce seller can kind of come in and see what type of Instagram content is actually helping their business. So, for example, over here, uh, this brand, they sell baby apparel, mostly hats. Um, they just recently launched a fall line of different sweatshirts as well and products, but it was their most watched story, and so it helps them kind of know that it was a successful campaign, that people that got out and saw it. One thing that brands really like is this bookmark comment or content. So this is something that's really hard to find in Instagram, but we're able to pull it in and organize it. So you can see this is what people are saving, the top thing. So this is similar to your Pinterest mentality. So you can see that this got saved the most of any content. This post of these new beanies. And you kind of see it had good sales, had high orders as well, good, lots of sales traffic. It was almost 600% above average in terms of clicks. So this is something that you might say, okay, maybe we need to create more content around this line because people really like it. They're really engaging with it. Can we do individual pictures? Can we do model shots? Can we do something to highlight this product because it's doing really well on social, but you can see it that fast. Um, Also, track your sales days. So come in here and see that your sales are really up. At a glance, go, oh, we did a 10% off site-wide coupon. So it makes sense that our sales are really up, but it shows you the success of that campaign. It was your best-selling day. Um, Similar data, but a different way to look at it. You can come in here and kind of toggle different metrics. So kind of back to that logic of maybe comparing your Instagram sales to your saves. Maybe we can even open up this up to the last month. Um, you can see that this day, for example, had a lot of saves, pretty good, um, sales traffic. Come in here and check it out. Oh, again, it was the beanies. Maybe come over here and say, this day our saves were quite low, but we had great sales. Oh, it was the 10% off. Maybe you did a giveaway or a collaboration with a different brand, so you're interested to see your likes. So come in here, and yeah, here for example, see that your Labor Day sale was also very successful, and that this hat is obviously popular because it got a lot of likes. So your likes were way up. But at a glance, you can kind of see the impact of these key social metrics with your Instagram sales. Kind of come through your calendar if you're curious how individual things performed. See their average, the kind of benchmark against your content, as well as come in and track your stories. So this is a number that's really hard to find. Your watch rate is tricky. You can see that 50% of people that started your stories finished them, and you can track your averages there, so you can see the success of stories, which right now that's really not available through Instagram to know how your stories are performing. Similar data as well, so you can quickly sort and see, okay, well, show me the content that drove the most sales or clicks to my site. Obviously, that beanie one's here again. The stories were successful, but this one, it's our second best traffic day, and come in and see at a glance. Oh, it's when we announced some new trucker hats, part of our fall launch. We got lots of clicks, so kind of see the success in this case of this recently launched fall new line. But you can kind of come sort that as well. So if you wanted to, for example, look at a giveaway, a lot of times you'll have high comments. So yeah, you come in here and see that your giveaway got lots of likes and comments, got saved, really didn't drive a lot of sales or traffic. Maybe that's a disappointment to you, and now you know that we shouldn't do this type of giveaway. Maybe you weren't really aiming for site traffic. You really wanted to, this be an engagement campaign with a different brand or whatever. But at least you can have the data so that you can know your business better and see what's making an impact versus what's not making an impact. Did another giveaway, not a lot of likes, lots of okay comments, bad traffic and bad sales. And so you might say, in the future, we're not going to do giveaways like this, or whatever the case may be. So yeah, at a glance, that's Vizi, which helps Shopify sellers see which Instagram content is actually driving their business forward.